Casuals and first-timers reaction to SB19 Simula't Wakas Philippine Arena Day 1 concert. Yes, let's hear it from the casuals and first-timers, either to any concert or just to SB19's concert. As someone na hindi naman fully inistan ng SB19, na isama lang sa ko ng ate kong inistan talaga ang SB19, grabe, sobrang deserve nila ang everything na meron sila right now. Walang palya mga performance ngayong day 1. Sobrang galing nilang lahat, iba talaga pag live mo na experience. This K-pop fan has never been this impressed by a show since, well, I became a K-pop fan. The production, the mix of actual sets and video to steer the show's narrative, the quality of their performance from vocals to dance, it's absolute world-class, and I just feel grateful to witness this and be part of OPM history. I have a lot to say sa SB19 Simula't Wakas concert as a casual listener. Oh my God, what the F, the vocals! I like their songs, but hearing it live is a whole other experience. They are so amazing, OMG. The arrangement really showcased their own individual color. Thank you, Ken, for introducing me to your brothers. They are so worth the money, the hype, where they're at now, cause what the F again? What an experience. Thank God we bought day 2 as well, cause yeah, one day isn't enough. You gained a fan in me, seriously, SB19. Thank you so much. SB19 really sets the standard. Grabby live vocals, energy, and dancing skills. Simula't Wakas Day 1 concert was superb. The only time na medyo mababang energy ko is nung pinaiyak nila ako. Mula umpisa hanggang matapos, halos mahulog ako sa pwesto ko sa sobrang hype. First time kong umattend ng concert nila, napakasulit ng binayad ko. Parang ayaw ko nang umuwi at mag-perform lang sila na mag-perform. Ganong feeling, bitin na bitin. Ang sakit ng lalamunan ko, kakatilig. Isa sa nagpagulat talaga sa akin yung Moonlight ginawang R&B, ang saya ko. Di ko lang talaga na-experience yung fan zone. Paano ba naman ang haba ng pila at napakainit? Gusto ko mag-day 2 kaya lang wala na akong pang-ticket. I became a fan after this. Definitely one of the best concerts or maybe even the best local concert I've seen. Na-realize ko na kaya din pala nating lumilevel sa prod ng international artists. They did not just perform, they brought the crowd to their damn world. Parang teatro in concert form. I also love those moments na hinahype nila or they gave spotlight to their dancers and other team members. Creatives giving spotlight to other creatives. They set the standard so high for me pagdating sa local concert tuloy. SB19 gained a new fan. First time attending a concert and sinamahan ko lang GF ko ang kapatid niyang fan ng SB19. Grabe solid performers talaga sila. Mas na-appreciate ko ang live kesa sa mga MVs nila. Let me start this just by saying I'm not a fan. I'm one of the staff on backstage. I've handled Korean concerts which left no impact on me whatsoever. After this, I just realized how talented they are, especially Stel, who is the product of countless memes on FB due to his previous facial card. I've realized P-pop has a chance or at least hope. That's what SB19 embodies, attract to international scene. This is only just day 1 though, day 2 is today. Never felt more lucky to attend a concert na libre whilst bayad ka. I've never felt that through big K-pop groups. Edit, approachable din sila. Habang nagwawalis-ulinis ako ng stage at nag-uusap sila, Stel looked back during rehearsal before the concert and smiled at me. Not only are they talented, they're also humble.